Hi folks, it's me Michael with CDI Atlanta Lawn and Landscape. As you can see, we're doing the backyard renovation. And in that renovation, we've installed pea gravel, and this is number 5 of river gravel. It looks like egg rock, but it's much smaller. It's about the same size as 57 stone. And so we're using that instead of the regular concrete 57 gravel. And so also, we're going to be adding these stepping stone pavers. And these are going to be added across this walkway. And so what's happening is water is coming down into the valley, and we're flooding this entire area going into the backyard. And so we added the French drain here, and it's going to take everything out to the front. It's going to exit in this pop-up emitter. And so you can see the French drain opening over here by the gates. And so we added this fence so that there could be a place for the trash can, so they can be hidden away from the public. And we're going to be adding mulch as well as other items here. And so as you can see, here's another one of the drains. This is one of the drains that go out to the front of the yard. And then this other drain, these two drains on the inside, they will go out to the side of the yard. And so they're capturing a lot of the water that was sitting here in the backyard. And so they go out to the side of the yard right here where they had previous drains. And so as you can see, also around the border of the backyard, we're adding the pea gravel, so it's like a mulch to protect the roots and prevent weeds around the flowers. And these are assortment of different flowers and shrubs that they're having planted in their backyard. Later on, we're going to be retilling the yard and also adding some sod, or we're going to hydro seed, but we'll see and let you know about that later. Just keep up with us at CDI Atlanta Lawn and Landscape. My name is Michael Rowland. You can see our information in our bio. And thank you.